UAVS stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in a short 1-minute video, so watch till the very end. Ageagle Aerial Systems, crazy, 71% up. Where the heck are we heading next? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to zoom out towards the broader picture in the high time frame, just to kind of observe. Yeah, bro, it's a bearish market for sure. Like, look at the weekly chart. It's crazy. Honestly, like, it would only make sense for me to be bullish if it starts. This is daily chart. Now, I'm not saying weekly, it's just the daily. So it needs to break above 33-ish cents. It needs to give me some bullishness in order for me to continue and just double down on that side. And I know like a 73% up is huge, but I've seen this happen thousands of times, you know, because I've made 29,000 videos. So you have a lot of experience. This is my genuine opinion. Unless the price starts to break above that, this is still going to be a bearish market. But yeah, if you want to learn the strategy for free, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.